welcome back. Happy December. Today I'm going to make my Christmas trees up. So I thought it would be good to share with you my Christmas Chanel ornament using those Chanel white camellia flowers. So if you are interested in, please keep watching. So I have ordered these clear ornaments from the Amazon. I'm gonna use this one, and as you can see here, I have white Chanel camellia flowers. Some special holiday editions are not white, but I'm going to use white color only for my Christmas tree. And maybe you will need some Chanel ribbon as well. The procedure is very simple. You can have your ornament clear, do it yourself ornament, and you can have this Chanel camellia flower just put inside. Like this. And on the other side of ornament as well, you will need another Chanel flower inside of it. Like this. So I have two flowers on both sides, and I'm going to close them together. But before I do that, I'm going to using this kind of tissue paper. You can buy this from the craft store as well, or Walmart, and just put them in middle of this, like this, and just close it together. Like that. So this looks already good, but we will need to make a hook of it. So I'm going to using this Chanel ribbon just to make simple bow. Like that. And I will need these. I don't know what they're called. I got them from the craft store as well. So I'm going to using this one to tie this white ribbon up. Hopefully you guys can see. It's very easy to tie it up. Like you can just make it twisted a couple times. Like that. And just cut this part. And done with the bow. And I'm going to have this one onto here. Like this. And you will need a little hook. So I'm going to have this one together and twist it again. Hopefully you guys can see how do I make it. And you have a little hook is ready. So here is the final look, and I have here several ornaments is ready. So I'm going to decorate my trees now. Okay, I can hang them onto my tree right now. It's just very small tree, and looks like this. And here is the final look. What do you guys think? This is my small tree beside of my bed, and I have the same tree in a bigger size in my dining room area, but I love to have this one just in my bedroom, and I can look at it every time in the morning or night time before my bed. I love this clear look. You don't have to using the Chanel Camelia flower only. You can make them in your own creative way. You can draw something, you can put something else inside of this clear ornament. It's very pretty. I love it. Thank you so much for watching this quick video. I hope you have a wonderful December, and I will see you guys soon in my next video. Bye guys!